Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for having me. If this is your first time, you're most definitely welcomed, and you want to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post. And if this is not your first time, thank you for having me again, especially those of you that watched my last video, my mini twist video, and also subscribed. You don't know what you did, but I want to say that I am very, very happy, and for you to even come back again, I'm even happier. So thank you, and I hope you have subscribed. If you just watched the last one without subscribing, what are you waiting for? So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I got to this slick bun. If you are interested, you want to follow along and see how I did it. So let's get right into the video. I used Eco Gel, this hair wax, this brush. So I started off with cutting a small section at the back. This section is going to form the base upon which all other smaller section I'm going to make is going to fall on. I also made sure that my hair is as moisturized as possible. I usually use cream and water, spray a lot of water, as you can see, to make sure that it does not break, and then maneuvering it is easier for me. So yeah, if I tell you that this hair is combed, you will not believe, but as soon as the comb is out of the hair, shrinkage is the next thing. So but then it still makes it easier to work on. So when you are done with the base, then you keep on getting smaller sections from the rest of the hair and keep tying it together. Because I have a thick, I like to think I have a thick hair. I don't know if that's the case. I use lots of gel in order to get a good grip, and you realize that as you add more hair to the base, it starts to look like it's loose. So at this point, I just loosened the whole tie. I didn't knock it at the end of any tie, so it was easier for me to loosen it at this stage. I loosened everything and combed the whole hair together. This time it is easier because there's gel on it. Doing your hair yourself can be like an arm workout, and this can be tiring. So if you get tired, rest before you continue the journey ahead of you. So I just went ahead to merge the whole gelled parts into one and tie them together. Water is very, very important, and as long as it is needed, you continue spraying water. It just makes the work easier for you, and it makes it combing easier. As you can see, I'm loosening the whole bun again to retie so that it will be stronger. It's very important that you don't knock it until you have reached the end point. This helps you to get a stronger grip, especially when there is need to make a fresh tie. So I just continued getting smaller portions like this until, as you can see, I got tired here, but the journey must continue. NEPA took light at this point, so I had to continue with natural light. I kept on patting smaller sections and holding it down with gel and brush. I did a center pattern, and when I was done, I held it down with scarf for some time and loosened it after like 1 hour or so. And this is the final look. This is Afro Kinky to imitate a bun at the back. So this is the final look, and I hope you like what you see. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.